The stress of the holidays can have a negative and lasting impact on your marriage if you're not careful to make sure that your marriage can survive the stress of the holidays. There's a number of ways in which this can happen. The stress of the holidays can make you so busy that you don't have time to connect. It feels like you and your spouse are ships passing in the night, or ships passing as you're going to different activities, even going to the same activities together. And so it's important to make sure you prioritize that connection. You can also have conflict during the holiday season that you might not normally have, whether it be conflict with people you don't normally see, that oh, every time that person comes over, this issue is going to be raised and it's going to create conflict, or whether it be conflict that results from expectations that you have. Maybe you think that your spouse is going to do something specific with regard to preparing for a specific Christmas activity or dinner, and that doesn't happen, and you feel let down, and that creates conflict. Or whether it has to do with our expectations and our trust in our spouses. It could be that last year your spouse didn't fulfill your expectation with regard to some specific area, activity, gift, and now you feel like you can't trust them to do the same thing. You feel like they're going to let you down again this year. And trust is really essential to a marriage. A marriage cannot be healthy if trust is not involved. And so especially if you're doing something this season, maybe you're planning a surprise for your spouse, it's a good idea to communicate that. You don't have to tell what the surprise is, but to communicate, hey, I'm planning a surprise for you with your gift. So I'm going shopping, or I'm going to be working on things, and I don't want you to question what I'm doing because of it. And that can help to maintain trust and keep suspicion from being aroused. So our goal then through the holiday season should be to build trust and joy in your marriage. And if you need help doing that, then my mini course, Strengthen Your Marriage to Survive Holiday Stress, is perfect. This course will give you specific tips and skills and strategies to help strengthen your marriage throughout this entire holiday season and into the new year, so you can start off the marriage better and stronger and healthier than ever in your marriage. If you're interested, go to thecommunicationdoc.com and let's get communication healthy in our marriages this holiday season and beyond.